supposed to.
I'm on top of the gas.
Jesus Christ! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Pick him up now.
Let's go. Anytime.
There you go.
There we go. Oh yeah!
Wait!
Oh,
What the fucking hood?
oh yeah! Holy shit!
I think there's a little impact there. Well, Blake, I think that one's done.
I thought you said you were gonna save that radiator.
Oh, the radiator's
That's
still
your
done.
radiator.
That's just the air conditioner.
I know, but why is that battery bowed up? It had to have bent that core support back, didn't
It
it?
did.
It did, but
Oh, it ain't leaking water out. Don't see it running out, do you?